Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar informs Assembly that the first science city in Northeast will be set up in Manipur. AK Mirabai calls House attention to the rape of a minor girl in Senapati, demands fast-track court in all districts to try crimes against women. Congress MLA Loken tells Assembly that almost all water supply schemes have failed in Manipur. All Manipur Clubs organization urges all communities to stand together to protect the integrity of Manipur. Manipur University Students' Union to campaign for demilitarization of Manipur University campus from the next week. And Students' Log Education U Office demanding inclusion of DM College of Teachers Education in Dhanamanjuri University Bill 2017. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar today informed the Assembly that the first science city in the Northeast region will be set up in Manipur. Joy Kumar, who also holds a science and technology portfolio, told the Assembly that the government is trying to encourage young students to study science. He was responding to the cut policy moved by opposition MLA K. Ranjit during the demand for science and technology. Ranjit moved the policy cut on account of failure to implement integrated rural energy planning program, inability to introduce a policy to establish science centers in new districts. The Deputy Chief Minister said the government is making efforts to create a scientific temper among the students. He said he has had talks with the Union Science and Technology Minister and he has given positive response.
Science City for the state of Manipur. Masi I Honorable Minister for Science and Technology Magasu have discussed on me Adu Nataba Topa Kambu Karat Libu Kamugum Sutore scientists Mayamama Kauraga discussed on Raga Masi Karmaito evolved to Gage Karitoge High Sea Kanaraga conceptualized over the Masagi a showcase Pisuina for the entire notice Science City Karmano Karmaito Nado Machi Togabegi Adumishu already idea formulate tore even kamuk chang de khoka de ge sigi formulate tor matung da ai khoi gi honorable leader of the house ka su discuss torga center de already science and technology gi site su I felt adum positive point horomni entire notice ki wena admain tongna thamji ge khali.
Opposition MLA AK Mirabai today drew the attention of the House to the rape and assault of a minor girl on the 1st of this month in Senapati district. She asked what help has been provided to the victim and action taken to arrest the culprits by the government. Mirabai told the House that crimes have been committed against women and a woman was found dead under suspicious circumstances in Andhra police station during the assembly session. She said 25 women were raped in the last 5 to 6 months and 35 women went missing till July in the state. The Congress MLA also said if the police acted timely, the crimes could have been prevented. Mirabai told the House that it is time the fast-track court for trials of crimes against women was set up in all districts of the state. Responding to the calling attention, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren termed the Senapati incident as an unfortunate one. He told the House that a police team led by an IGP rushed at the spot and initiated investigation. He said some police officers have been suspended in the Andro case. Biren told the assembly that the government is gravely concerned about the crimes against women. He assured the members that actions will be taken to punish the culprits. The Chief Minister said local MLA and officials have met the victim's family and helps are being provided to her. He asserted that more help will be given to her if necessary.
Police singi side ki suma sigi damukta akhan na nupi singi da thopa crime sidi minimum say tha ahum natraga tha tarukta FIR submit togudabni haiba charge sheet frame togudabni haiba CRP sigi rule leiragasu as early as possible tha magi manung da yaraga di madu charge sheet frame togudabni tobudabu charge sheet frame toguse with evidence to phajana leitraga di hayeng convict to taroi daba accused nan thokhi gedabu amna adu magi masang matum forensic ki test of khotpa adu gumma tobada matam khra sang bagi wani adu na koi specially nupi da sathaba crime sigi yade haiba ma khangan da wi dong ta koi fast track course link khalaga tawjabani anu hojik honorable member na PB grievance session district wise link khatna bagi do adu su khana ba ya ba taw ya ba poni but ai koi gi leiriba state sigi senthum gi phibam ai koi amtang government nong no paijera phone amtang yengjagi ge yaraga di madom da koi su district level sing da yam thu na kesi paikhatlaga mara leba sing da ni piba yana na bado ayeng sinjage hadina mai khomjage aduga hujiki
Congress MLA and Loken today told the Assembly that almost all the water supply schemes have failed in Manipur. On the last day of the Assembly session, the Finance Minister Yumnam Joykumar moved demands for 4 departments amounting to Rs 413 crore 45 lakh 60,000. The departments are Public Health Engineering, Minor Irrigation, State Academy of Training and Science and Technology. Opposition MLAs A.K. Mirabai, K. Ranjit and Loken, D. Korungthang, K. Meghachandra, Muhammad Fazur Rahim, K.H. Joykishan, R.K. Imo, Alfred Kangam, Arthur Okram Henry and Muhammad Abdul Nasir raised cut motion on these demands. During discussion on demand for public health engineering, MLA and Loken said the water supply scheme in the state is a failure since time of the previous government. He said some water supply schemes sanctioned by the centre have completed while others are still incomplete. Loken said the absence of water reservoir is the main cause for the failure of the system. He told the House that people in several parts of the Imphal suffer when the water of Ningbo Dam dries up and water of major rivers in Imphal residents. He said people are hoping that the problem of water scarcity will end with the completion of Taubal project. Loken said Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of providing safe drinking water to every village in the country by 2022 includes providing safe drinking water to each and every household in Manipur as well. The MLA urged the ministers concerned to advise the officials of Public Health Engineering Department to work with honesty and sincerity. During discussion on minor irrigation, Loken said the MLA should be consulted before taking up any schemes and projects in their constituencies for their success.
Manipur da water supply scheme singina fail oribagi maram si aikhoi ki da maru oina reservoir ising lopam se aikhoi ki da maru oina leitabana maram orakanda water supply scheme sing si he paikalaga fail oiba ma tawi aikhoi puna mangne na khangi sidai da aikhoi ki Manipur da drought tholakpa matam da sidai da aikhoi ki lairiba dam sing sina hek kangiba matam da di aikhoi ki Manipur da ising piba wau da pung khai da pibagi aduguma tanja ama lakheba aduna public health engineer ki lairiba department ki da aikhoi da honorable minister ki thak ta ko budi eso e di pak kauguda bamande engineer oina kaurakani mabu ama mahana thamari manga du da land graga cho sidai da BJP ki khakta khalaga congress ki di kaya neglect to adu leiramaga cho ngasi di aina house da pudhobani na honorable minister na aduguma council of minister kano department ki pairiba engineers no kaurakanda sigum bidi thabak chumna tau haiba wafam aduma honorable minister na thambiyu mani.
MLA D. Karungthang said MLA's concern should be consulted while taking up district public health engineering schemes and projects. He also urged the minister to look into the cases where projects are made for non-existing villages. MLA K. Meghachandra said, though the Public Health Engineering Department is an important department, many policy and programs have failed due to inefficient officials. Meghachandra also said minor irrigation projects should be jointly taken up with IFCD and CADA to make it more efficient. Mohammad Fazur Rahim said it will be difficult to provide safe drinking water in other districts even when it cannot be provided in Babupara in Imphal city. He urged the new government to complete all the incomplete schemes of the department.
Chakpi karong da NLCPR ke makhada paket kiba water supply scheme mayam amalai adu maintenance tawdrabadi commission tawragasu sum soijilak patabani adun landslide ki natural calamity am thok pasina marak marak masi disturbance lai tabanate adun masi ku masi khra yengsin biraga praja singi awabasi kokhan binanaba Honorable Minister ki attention, Honorable Speaker ki through the drought of Javani, augmentation of water supply scheme in the hill districts haiba giduda valley ki portion se sing da khrapsin balai aduga valley ki portion dana masi ki program si budget nil haiba masi ki si Honorable Minister na kuren sengdok pirakpada masi si kari gi no sing gi da valley ki portion hapchin ba valley ki dana nil ohali bisi masi prepare tawbada budget prepare tawbada soi ki barana
electrification taunabagi mai connection taunabagi damakta sien bada another 5 months sure mai connection si pide where is this water supply department ka electricity department siga mai khaktang connection taunabagi it takes more than 5 months aina su responsible lawri jariba aina su sing tanki gi kari repairing tawai lanai tawjariba lack of coordination between department and the other electricity department. This is happening here.
Deforestation in Sirui village of Ukhrul district has affected Sirui water supply. Ukhrul MLA Alfred Kangnam Arthur today expressed apprehension of Sirui lily becoming extinct if a policy is not made to conserve and preserve the forest land in the surrounding areas. Raising policy cut on demand for PHED, Alfred Arthur said people in Ukhrul district headquarters are facing immense inconveniences due to a scarcity of safe drinking water.
Policies so that it will serve each and every single aspect. Catchment area she may be about 2, 3, 4, 5 square kilometers area she sarkar ne acquire to biraga panbi she phajana tha biraga so that ishing supply to somda amuga piri bashi 3 sources piri bashi ne chapchan people ngamba. The problem is population chi yamwang wang khat khraba gi damakta Ukhrul shi elevation chi yamwang bai gi Shirui na taduna atokpa na pi bangamdre. There is another village Kangkhui hena Kangkhui shi just adjoining Shirui ne Shirashu water source the lady, but it's just that it is a bit lower than Shirui adugi half of Ukhrul, maybe from the mid-level Ukhrul to below Shina Kangkhui degi source chi biraba aduga above mathak tegi na mid-range paushina Shirui degi piridi 2 different sources tegi lak piridi adudi all water problems will be taken care of. At the same time, the preservation of Shirui hills she. If there is a policy, clear-cut policy to protect the catchment, it means you are protecting the area.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane, who also holds the Minor Irrigation Department portfolio, said in the House that a survey team will be sent to inspect the controversial Ningbo Dam at Nungai in Long constituency. He was responding to policy cut on demand for Minor Irrigation Department raised by opposition MLA Abdul Nasser. The Chief Minister told the House that the dam was constructed by MDS and after a survey team studies its condition, repair works can be taken up. Ningbo Dam is constructed on the Imphal River. The dam has been damaged many times in the past, inundating Nungai, Thaubal, Moijing and other villages in the surrounding areas. Meanwhile, people of the area are collecting funds and have utilized available resources like sandbags and wood logs to block the water from the dam.
Center the Thador Kadabakra state Kisiar do Torkanda Koi, Tuna Si Heglo Bakanda, Center the Tuna Thadok Pirangamsu, Taxage, Aduga Akoigi, I think the Loibulo Romane, Megagi, Jungasagi work bill Gampi Hage, Hybadu, Husiki Laiva, Government Selak Bill Tado Poletri, work program do Husiki Center you work program Amadi. State district level की DC ने सियामे नोई बसी तो कांड अमदी सियम में state level की सियम री state level की सियम में मतलब chief secretary ना ताऊदा बनी मधु की मतम दुदा ऐसे honorable members सिंह की concern नोई members सिंह रकार लेबर members सिंह की मधु आई सोई देना priority अन members सिंह की concern रो ये दुम याहुन जनब होना गे है बा वापम खर्ची थम्मगा
PHED Minister Lucy Dicko citing deforestation, quarrying of land, non-maintenance of lakes, rivers and other sources of water as reasons for water-related problems in the state, sought cooperation from all concerned. 8 opposition MLAs raised policy cut on the demand of PHED, citing various problems faced in their constituencies. The minister said, though Manipur attains statehood since a long time, the state is still deprived of safe drinking water. He assured the House that all water supply schemes in the state, which is in a deplorable condition, will be repaired.
We have issues and challenges before us. Water supply problem is a big issue. As a 44 years plus, we have enjoying us full-fledged, but we are yet to provide safe drinking water to the people. The water sources are drying up because of reasons that is known to us. Deforestation, uncontrolled quarries everywhere happening. The water sources are drying up. The water bodies and the rivers are not taking care. These are the challenges that is before us.
On the last day of the session, the House passed demands for 4 departments amounting to 413 crore 45 lakh 60,000 rupees. The demand included PHED, Minor Irrigation, State Academy of Training and Science and Technology.
Policy amtang earmark to horaga, especially urban areas sigidi kari to bayage pukri ke kasu le shalak trevjikti. I am the community hall ngata le shalabni. And ishingi source le raktaba.
Scheme budi mayam le du fazana maintenance to dabasina kendra thangnari be mayam sing so awa thokpirangani ekhoi kendra se specially exercise but outdated oira product ngata le rabanina yam wana leire aduna kitang yingbiu masidasu intake pam haibrama leiba male intake ana haiba pam jisu amumuk sema matamda ising je sumphang phangdre haitare
ising si chauraga turel na mayeng tadri fo tenthok pe yadaba mafamni adu bai khoi ngasi lilong kumbi yadori se masi honorable speaker amasung leader of the house na telecast toramdradi si hai de na khabar dadi yambani na ko toram dab su ai hojikti taram abni na praja mayam soidana chumba ma phangani haibagi thajabam di leirani adu aduna chahi ama ni changadra thijin gadori se sa
institution mayam leraba higher secondary lere high school lere primary school lere adagi khungang taramri mangan konbe kanone scheme neba aduna mamang dana sanction to bidagi karora ma din laijarabane adubu wow da se hani payment pi di wow da pi ada lairaba adu masi simtanga lotion biraga khoi water supply sanitation committee sinabiraga machi 24 wa ising tahanbada saruk jajagi haiba simsu ai honorable speaker to the honorable minister gi punung chingjari masim dang tawbiyu
turen leiba mafam di pai lu turen leijadaba mafam da di yamna nongju pandha laktrabadi nong khoi gi low chingu basi asuki matik waba aduna leriba matam charing aida ekhoi gi nongju gi laiba ithei lokhong macha masu singsi ekhoi matam chana magi isingsi preserve ta hona ba khona ba tawbagi tangai padaba mayam ama leiba kaya sing aduna maram oiraga ekhoi minor irrigation si ayamba ekhoi maru oina lojabani.
Speaker Yumnam Kim Chan today inaugurated Assembly's Banquet Hall. The Assembly Banquet Hall, which was constructed under the Capital Project, has a dining hall with a capacity of more than 400 people on the ground floor and a convocation hall with capacity of 200 on the first floor.
Main purpose is like session then others functions or state functions facility wo sigi lady space ni mam unminary sini no risk harmony simplex na company amagi mamagi labor proper engineer sing duna hana design taro kan da high design si pw ne approve to bani So state ki PWD ki so khud jawe haidare.
Students of Imphal College witnessed assembly session on July 29, 31st and August 1st under the patronage of Speaker Y. Kim Chan. 62 students along with 5 faculty members of political department witnessed the session. They also visited library, committee rooms and auditorium of the assembly. All Manipur Clubs organization Amuko today called upon all the communities living in Manipur to stand together to protect the integrity of the state. Amuko President P.H. Devan recalled the Mammoth People's Protest rally held against the ceasefire agreement signed between the Government of India and NSCN-IM in 1997 at the event held today to mark the Integrity Day of Manipur at Dramatic Union Hall. He said the people of Manipur have been suffering after Manipur became a part of India. He alleged that under AFSPA and the centre's divide and rule policy, a misunderstanding has been created between the hill and valley. Devan also accused the government of signing MOU with multinational companies to exploit the resources of the state. He asserted that the Meitei, Naga, Kuki and Pangal should remain united to save Manipur and urged all communities to stand together. As a part of the event, people offered floral tribute at the Integrity Pillar near the Polo ground in the morning.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯜꯇꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒ MOU ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯧꯅꯗꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯅꯝꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯁꯥꯐꯨ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ.
A symposium on breastfeeding was held at Kaishamthong Kabui Village Community Hall in connection with World Breastfeeding Week today. World Breastfeeding Week is observed across the globe from August 1st. The week is observed in various parts of the state on the theme Sustaining Breastfeeding Together World Breastfeeding Week by Community and Nutrition Extension Unit, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Chingamathak in collaboration with Department of Social Welfare. Speaking at the symposium, L.S. Wolang emphasized the benefits of breast milk for the child. He said breastfeeding is the best way to provide newborns with the nutrients they need.
Children from a rich background and also from a poor background on the same footage to start life. Like sometimes, rich families can afford better food for their children and poor families cannot afford much. But with breastfeeding, this is the best that you can give your child. And even the rich can get it and the poor can get it. We are making people aware that just breastfeeding is not enough. We should be able to know the correct breastfeeding practices. How to hold the baby, how to make the baby suckle.
Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur and Koteshwar today launched the website of the High Court Bar Association of Manipur, 8CBAM. The launch was held at the meeting hall of the association in High Court Complex, Chingmairong. Justice K.H. Novin, Advocate General and Kumarjit, President of HCBAM, K.H. Binoy Kumar and members of the association were present at the event. In his inaugural address, Chief Justice and Koteshwar expressed the hope that the website will bring about a change in the functioning of judiciary in the state.
These are all perhaps to encourage digital transaction. And our society, as we know, everywhere digitization is going on. Therefore, in a judicial system, which is a very important part of the society, the social institutions, we are very happy that we are also trying to keep up with this digital revolution which is taking place in that connection. Any website, any technical issue, without any hesitation,
We'll be taking a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Manipur University Students' Union MUSU will launch a campaign for demilitarization of Manipur University campus from the next week. President of Manipur University Students' Union, Buchi Mayanglangbam, conveyed the intention of the students to begin a campaign for demilitarization at a press meet today. He said during a meeting with the Governor and Chief Minister regarding demilitarization of Manipur University campus, the Chief Minister assured that the campus of the university will be demilitarized. Buchi said since the assurance has not been translated into action, they decided to begin the campaign. He expressed resentment at the Vice-Chancellor's effort to bring in CRPF on the campus by taking Y category security. He said if the Vice-Chancellor forcefully tries to post CRPF on the university campus in the meat of demilitarization campaign will be barred from entering the university campus.
Karigumba makalamatagi response pirak tabna maram warga hojai ba khoi Assam rifle lokthokpagi habidi Manipur University se demilitarize tawbagi khongjang asi ekoi makha tana chathaba hojragani hariba khongjang asi lakliba mathangi chayol sidagi ekoi changchen ba horagani Vice Chancellor na karigidamakta Y category security loktharibuno haibisini Manipur University campus manungda hojik irang amata thokpanate adegidi ngasi bobuda Ladiba Hadaki Chayes, any kind of violence on the talk tree, Aduga Kanagumba, Amatagi threat, Amatu Labanate, University Labor Satra Sings it Hazard of Amasung Equasi anti-social Oiba, meeting that Yang Bibra Haibigi, watching the Bamusulere.
A team of Manipur State Commission for Women, led by Chairperson Dr. K. Sobita, today met a minor girl who was raped and assaulted in violent colony in Senapati district at Raj Medicity. The 15-year-old victim is admitted at the ICU of the hospital. Cockroaches were found in a packet of blended food bal bhog provided by Social Welfare Department through ICDS at Anganwadi Center for Young Children. The insects were found inside a packet given to children by worker and helper at an Anganwadi Center in Ghari, Maninglaikai. State Secretary of All India Students Federation Kundrakpam Rameshwar told media that it happened due to the negligence of the Social Welfare Department, which did not check the food. He demanded the Social Welfare Department and Food Safety Department should immediately look into the matter. He also demanded immediate ban of the food.
Balbogna haiba khoi angang masamu phanaba na khoi social welfare department na piriba and khoi angwadi center da piriba kaino si packet system one lakpa kaino se packet manung da khoi kharmi yoram ba haitare masi charu kan da ngasai imung khara da oba na da khoi gi na tai cha da kaino mayam thengna ba maram duna khoi gi social welfare na kai maram gi damakta khoi gi sigumba angang singi chana ba khoi polam da khoi yengjan bidribno aduga maroina khoi food safety department na ju kai maram gi damak angang singi chana ba kaino se kai gum makhalam da yengjan bida ba haitare maram moina jarda khaini talap ta khoi paisa tala lebe mongam da leire maram duna khoi mail ba department na yengjan biu khoi workers sing na ju khoi lekai da khoi hayeng dagi khoi manipur khoi mafam sing da khoi yenthok biribu kaino se khoi lepiu na ai se khoi ma ke dagi thamjage.
Students of DM College of Teachers Education today locked the Education U office, demanding inclusion of DM College of Teachers Education in the proposed Dhanamanjuri University Bill 2017. It may be mentioned that the Manipur Assembly passed the Dhanamanjuri University Bill 2017 on Thursday. 5 premier colleges of the state, namely DM College of Arts, Commerce, Science, LMS Law College and GP College, are the constituent colleges of the proposed university. The students of DM College of Teachers Education, along with volunteers of All Manipur Students Union AMSU, stormed the Education U office at Nityai Pachotek and locked the office in protest against the exclusion of DM College of Teachers Education from the proposed university bill. A team of police rushed at the site and controlled the situation. Employees of SDO Kakching and Waikong staged a sit-in demanding their outstanding pay for 5 months. They ceased work and demonstrated in front of the SDO office against the non-payment of 5 months' salaries to 68 employees of SDO Kakching and Waikong. The protesters said SDO Kakching and Waikong are under Taubal DC and questioned why DC Taubal did not sanction the fund allowance. They also urged the Revenue and Finance Department to seriously look into the matter and take immediate action.
DC Tawalgi allocation to Uganda, District Haidokre Haidana, Akoi Kakching Waikongi Panje Kaido Pidre, District Haidokanda had the allocation Panje, had the Hitching Luna Yaga the Venatieva. Hojiti Tawal DC the Lady Vegitagi, Akoi Palji Kaido Piraga, Tolopse, Tamanga Pangji Pangan Biosina Panjeris.
The 64th IndoMyanmar Field Officers meeting in connection with prevention of drug trafficking and drug abuse on the border between India and Myanmar was held at Mori Trade Center in Mori today. The Indian team consisted of Mori Police, 11 and 12 AR, Customs Preventive Force Mori and SIB officials led by Director of NCB Guwahati Zonal Unit Rakesh CH, while Myanmar team included officials of Customs and police officers led by Deputy Director of Myanmar Immigration, Yu Wei San. The meeting discussed measures to control drugs in the area. One-day free medical camp to prevent swine flu, dengue and Japanese encephalitis, along with a month-long camp for distribution of medicines, kicked off today in Mori. The medical camp was held by All Community Development Organization Mori and Primary Health Center Mori under the Directorate of Ayush. The camp was attended by people of Mori, Molcham, New Samtal, Kengjoy and Myanmar. A mobile thief identified as Koirom Sunil, 28 years, son of late K.H. Ibopisak from Yairipok, Laimanai, was arrested around 9 this morning by a team of police under the supervision of SDPO and OC Yairipok. Police has recovered some mobile phones stolen earlier by Sunil from the backyard of his house. Police is interrogating him to recover other stolen phones. A team of 12 Assam Rifles, Kudengtabi, seized 162 grams of heroin, 24 grams brown sugar and 500 WY tablets from a person on Imphal Mori Road around 4 p.m. yesterday. The arrested person is identified as Paukungam Haukib, 45, son of Paukalate of Mori Ward number 8. He, along with the seized drugs and his eco van bearing registration number MN02B0317, were handed over to Mori Police Station. The 14th Raising Day of UFO was celebrated at the Ngarothel branch office, Hairok Part 3 yesterday. UCM President Elangbam Johnson and R.K. Pishak Macha, Laima, wife of founder of UFO, late R.K. Manisana, were among those present at the event. Speakers at the event expressed concern over the rise in use of intoxicants among the people in the state. They also said implementation of inner line permit system along with will not save the state unless people preserve and protect their traditions and culture. Manipur Pollution Control Board has announced the results of the state-level painting and essay writing competition. The winners in class 7 to 10 category are Vinesh Kaisham, Telen Khaidim, Malinganba Waikhom, Leifrakpam Boshini and Onia Konsam. Anand Nauribam, Asem Indrajit, Leifrakpam Roshan, Yumnam Rahul and Laishram Ningol Tinku are winners in class 11 to university level category. The World Athletics Championship will kick off in London today. 25 Indian athletes are taking part in the 10-day grand event. Experts are hoping for a medal for India from the world junior record holder javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra, whose performance will prove whether India can manage to put an end to the medal drought since 2003. India has taken part in every championships since the first one in 1983, but legendary long jumper Anju Bobby George's bronze in Paris 2003 has been the lone medal at this global stage. Moirangthem Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament kicked off today under the aegis of the Imphal East District Football Association at APA Ground, Ketrigao. In the first league match, Angtha FC Angtha beat Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai 2-0. In the 35th minute of the match, Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai's M. Subhas was shown yellow card by the center referee. 8 teams are participating in the First Division Football League Tournament. Star Club top Moirang Kampu will meet Nesu Kurai tomorrow morning. Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar informs Assembly that the first science city in the northeast will be set up in Manipur. AK Mirabai calls House attention to the rape of a minor girl in Senapati, demands fast-track court in all districts to try crimes against women. Congress MLA Loken tells Assembly that almost all water supply schemes have failed in Manipur. All Manipur Clubs organization urges all communities to stand together to protect the integrity of Manipur. Manipur University Students' Union to campaign for demilitarization of Manipur University campus from the next week. And Students' Lock Education EU Office demanding inclusion of DM College of Teachers Education in Dhanamanjuri University Build 2017.